Do you want to know how you can log into your Xplan mortgage account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Xplan mortgage account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC. Go to the Google search bar to search for Xplan mortgage login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official login portal of IRES. You can see that this is the login portal where you can log into your Xplan account. So go ahead and click on this profile button and click on IRES viewpoint. In a while, you will be headed to the login portal. You can see that you can log in using your company ID. So go ahead and write down your company mail over here. Write down your password and check your password by clicking on this icon, and after you're done, make sure your email address and password is correct and then click log on. This way, you can easily log into your Xplan mortgage account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.